Well, moving the excavator. He's got to come over here and do something right here. Sitting on a log. See what he does. Watch how he does this. He lifts up the front with the bucket, put the bucket down, lifts up the front, and he just turns the other side, turns the other track, and spins it right around. Keeps right on spinning. Look at that. First time he's ever really used an excavator was today. Move the logs over here, put this one up here for the build. Now he's got to clean up some spot in the backyard. Just move some stuff, clean it up. Trying to clean up the yard so we can sell the house. So that's my apple tree. Look at that bucket. And move it forward. There he is. I lost him for a second. And dig a hole right there. Right there. Dig a hole. Got a bunch of construction stuff, old leaves and a couple of pallets, a few things they have to get rid of. Best thing to do is dig a hole right there. Look at that. Woo! Sure beats using a shovel. Put it over here, right next to me. Right there. Right there, yep.
Not going to be able to pick it up and move it though if I can get it.
Alright, yeah, alright, good. Okay, whatever you gotta do. Look at that. One scoop. One scoop. Holy crap. That's amazing. He's going to dig his basement for his house. This is all just practicing. Getting the techniques down. It's actually really good. Hey, my maple tree. Look at my maple tree. Look, we planted a tree. Wow, I'm amazed that this thing can dig. This thing is amazing. Little work. Moving the controls. Without even thinking he does it.